when they built it, they in their literature they said, "Don't buy this car if you're looking for good gas mileage."
Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're with Phil and his 1966 Chevy C10. And Phil, you've made a couple of changes, it looks like.
Just a few. This is a Corvette LS3 motor in it, 6.2 liter.
Wow.
It has the 6-speed automatic transmission that came out of the car.
And what was the motor out of?
It was out of a 2009 Pontiac GX8.
Wow.
Yeah, and it was wrecked, and it had
That is so clean.
had about 23,000 miles on the motor when it came out. Yeah.
How long have you had the truck? And
I've had the truck for about 3 years now.
And when did you put the motor in it?
When it was restored, my neighbor started restoring the truck and got it running, and I purchased it from him and did some quite a few changes to it for my taste. I changed from 6-lug to 5-lug wheels for a better choice.
Yes. And you got the spray-in bed liner on the tailgate.
Put this spray-in liner. I had this soda blasted to get it to this, and then I put this Poppy's patina on it for a clear coat.
Oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to stop by their booth here.
Yeah, I want to see them today as well.
Yeah.
But
when did you put the Poppy's patina on?
When?
Yes, sir.
Last year and a half ago.
Oh, it's held up real well then.
Yeah, it holds up well. It's easy to put on and take care of. This is my daily driver as well.
Oh, is it really?
It is. It is. I had a couple of show trucks, and I literally got tired of cleaning.
I see. Shiny paint causes
whoever
stress.
came up with that sticker, no truer words were ever spoken.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, when I was coming in the gate, I saw a small window, and it flipped up.
Yeah. I think that's an add-on.
Yeah.
Somebody's done.
I've never seen one before.
I've never seen that as well.
Boy, the interior is just so nicely done as well, Phil.
Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't got all my stuff out of there for you, but it's nice. It has heat, air conditioning.
And you use it on as a daily driver? Do you take it?
I take my grandkids to and from school and go to the grocery store for the wife the whole 10 yards. And
do you travel in it, or mainly car shows and around town?
Just car shows and around town.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't travel, but I could if I wanted to. It's
yeah.
Just, the opportunity hadn't presented itself.
And out of curiosity, I'm a quirky guy when it comes to gas mileage. What kind of gas mileage do you get?
Horrible.
Oh, really?
It gets 12 to 14 miles per gallon.
Yeah.
In the 2007, 8, 9 years when they built this motor, it's actually a Holden Corvette motor.
Okay.
And when they built it, they in their literature they said, "Don't buy this car if you're looking for good gas mileage." And so it runs great. Just the gas mileage is a little weak right now. So.
Yes. Well, Phil, thank you. And before I finish up, any quirkiness about the vehicle that other people wouldn't know about a 66 C10? Something unique about this vehicle?
Only that it's the last year.
Yes.
Of this particular body style, the 64, 5, and 6s were identical.
Yes.
They had some grill changes, and the badge on the side was on the hood one year, then on the fender, that sort of stuff. As you and I had mentioned before, I think the windshield wipers were, that was the first year that they were mandatory. Side
and the
mirror,
backup lights.
The backup lights, windshield wipers. Yeah, that's about it. It runs great, drives great, and it makes me smile every time I get in it. So,
absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for telling us the story behind the car and let us look at your beautiful truck.
My pleasure. Thank you.